Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Security and Privacy. This is where the Fingerprint menu lives. Once there, choose Fingerprint and then Add Fingerprint. You'll be asked to confirm your existing screen lock, so enter your PIN or password. Make sure your finger is clean and centered on the sensor. This matters because the sensor maps ridges. If your phone asks for backup verification, complete it now so the enrollment can proceed without interruption. You'll be guided to tap and lift your finger repeatedly. Do this slowly and vary the angle. The system builds a composite map, so rotate the finger slightly to capture edges and side ridges. Once done with the central presses, repeat for the tip and both sides. This improves accuracy. If the phone offers to add another finger, consider registering your thumb and index for convenience. Keep the sensor area clean while you work to avoid failed scans. Once the enrollment bar reaches 100%, name the fingerprint so you can manage it later and enable features like app unlock or payments. Test locking and unlocking a few times to confirm reliability. Make small adjustments if your device offers sensitivity settings. If recognition fails frequently, remove the fingerprint and re-enroll, trying a different finger or a cleaner swipe technique. As a quick troubleshooting tip, power cycle the phone and clean the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.